Microgreens are young plants that are harvested when they are just a few weeks old. They are packed with nutrients, easy to grow, and versatile in the kitchen. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with microgreens. Microgreens are tiny versions of plants that are harvested when they are just a few inches tall. They are typically grown in soil or hydroponically and are characterized by their small size, intense flavors, and vibrant colors. They are often used as a garnish or added to salads and sandwiches for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Microgreens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. They are also very easy to grow, even in small spaces, and can be ready to harvest in as little as 1 week. Plus, they are a sustainable food source, requiring less water, space, and resources than their full-grown counterparts. To grow microgreens, you'll need some seeds growing medium and a container. You can use trays, pots, or even recycled containers like egg cartons. Simply sprinkle some seeds over the growing medium, water them, and place them in a bright location. In just a few days, you'll start to see the tiny plants sprouting up. Keep watering them as needed, and in about a week, they should be ready to harvest. There are many types of microgreens to choose from, including arugula, broccoli, kale, and pea shoots. You can also mix and match different types to create your own unique blend. When choosing seeds, look for ones that are labeled microgreens or sprouting seeds to ensure they are the right type to grow. Microgreens are a fun and easy way to add nutrition and flavor to your meals. With a little bit of time and effort, you can grow your own delicious microgreens right at home. Give it a try and see how easy it can be.